What is up, you guys? It's your girl TechWithNath, and today we're back with another video. Whoop, whoop. If you're new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here we got the business tea for free. Y'all already know, and today y'all, it is a part 2 that I am opening new supplies for my phone case business. So come along with me. You guys know Black Friday is coming up, Christmas is coming up, last quarter baby, so we're going hard. So I'm just trying different machines, different supplies that can help me, you know, have a great, I'm praying for a great quarter 4. So come along with me as I unbox this new supply. I'm super excited, so let's see what it is. Yeah, so the box is a dead giveaway. But as you, well, you guys might not know what it is. So it's like a heat press, of course. It's a mug machine, as you can see. So let's open this baby up. And if you guys don't know, I get all my heat press machines from VEVOR. So the link for this exact one will definitely be in the description box below. But let's open this. Yeah, excuse my ratchet nails. I'm already excited, like. Alright y'all, I'm back. So as you guys can see, it is a Pro Easy mug machine. So let's open this. This one is easier to open because baby, the struggle, be real. And like I said, I got this from VEVOR, y'all. So, and it's right in here. VEVOR is like the best place to get all your heat press machines, everything, y'all. Their website is always bomb, and they always give you a little pamphlet with instructions on how to use it, as well as your heat settings. That's the most important part. So we'll get into that later, because y'all already know we don't read instructions over here. But it's always good to have, though, I'm not gonna lie. It is so cute! Oh my gosh! It's a little heavy though. Alright, so that is the machine there. It is so small and cute, y'all. And then it came with a plug as well. So this is for like mugs. I saw people make like tumblers in here as well, so I want to try that. Hopefully the tumbler I have fits in there. This is a tumbler I have, y'all. This is a Sublimation tumbler. I can link this in the description box below as well, but hopefully it fits in here. It's looking a little big, but we'll see. As you guys can see, this is it from VEVOR. So cute. Alright y'all, so I'm just going to, it only has one wire, which I'm glad. But I'm just going to get this plugged in. So it has like a big outlet here, so it just plugs in like this. Plug it in, and then I'll get this plugged in underneath my desk. Alright y'all, so it is all plugged in. So this is the only button, so y'all know I didn't read the directions, so let me just press this button. So this is the button here, and as you can see, it flashes. Oh, it looks like it's like heating. Yep, I can feel it. Don't try this at home. But let's read the instructions real quick to see how this goes. These are so cute, you guys. Like, they have a black and a white one as well. Let me open this again. So they have the black one and the white one. So cute. So this is the mug heater, the 5 indicator lights, switch on the indicator light, the movable wrap, and mug height. Oh, you can adjust the mug height too. Okay, VEVOR. So it says red is the heating process, green you can set the temperature, reach, blah blah blah. Y'all know. I hopefully. Okay, let me turn this off before I burn this paper. Oh my god, y'all. Let me read this real quick because I'm like pressing stuff. I thought that was the off button. I'm like pressing stuff and stuff is moving, y'all. So we have the print setting. So you see, these are like the regular mugs, y'all, that people usually sublimate. So you have the 11-ounce mug and the 15-ounce mug, and then it says turn off the machine or let the machine inactive. So I have to press it for like 10 seconds to turn it off. Yep. So now it's off, y'all. Alright, y'all, so the good thing about this heat press, it comes like ready to use outside of the box. So you can change the settings as well as the time, but I'm not gonna do any of that since this is my first time. I kind of just want to see if it works. So I'll just turn it on, let it heat up and do its thing, and then we can get going. So while that heat up, this is like the image. I just printed out some random image I made. So I'm just gonna, I'll show you guys what I'm pasting this onto real quick. So let me just cut this out. As you guys know, this is sublimation paper. So I'm going to use that. I found this sublimation tumbler. It's so cute. Actually, I'm not gonna use, should I use this one? No, I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this silver one actually, and see if this is gonna sublimate, because this is skinny, so at least the top gonna sublimate. Ooh. Let me let it heat up first before I put it in. Alright, y'all, so this is heat up already. So I'm just gonna put this to the side, make myself some space here so I can take this design onto our sublimation tumbler. So I have this kind of taped up. It might need to be a little bit flatter, but I think this vacuum press in here is going to be good. So I'm going to face it this way so it could be like in the back. So we'll see how this goes. This right back and see. Alright, y'all, so I believe this is the seconds here as well. That's what the pamphlet said. So you have 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 seconds, like I said before. So I guess this door definitely have to close at least for it to start automatically and do its thing. Alright, y'all, so that is finished. That was about 100 seconds, I was definitely saying. So let me turn it now. Yeah, so as you guys can see, this looks more sublimated than it did before. I'm gonna check this side since I put like extra tape on that side just in case we need to do it again. Oh, I do see sublimated. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, let me put it back right where it was so it can sublimate. Well, actually, I don't think the top part is gonna sublimate because that's how big the cup is. If I made the design smaller, that's what I'm gonna do on another side. Yep. So like I said, the boss is not going to, and I put it upside down, girl. But the boss is not going to tint because the mug is too tall. The tumbler is too tall. But we're gonna do the other side. I'm gonna just bring it down lower and see if that works. Alright, y'all, so let me move this out of the way for now. Put this over again. y'all, it's crafting is trial and error, period. Okay, but at least we know it works. Okay, so now that I know this cuts off like here, I'm going to try to put the design like only here. So I'm about to just, not this one, so I just print out another one actually. So I'm just about to cut it. It down to the bottom now, so it should work better. I'm still gonna press it twice just to make sure. So I'm about to put it in and I'll put it on the back again. The thing about this though, before I'll just put some tape real quick on the other side too. I just want to cover this. I don't want the ink to go on in there. So I'm just gonna cover this real quick. So this is the good side here. So I'm gonna put this in the back and then we can sublimate that side. So it is done for the second time. Let's see how it's looking. I don't know if I have this, might have this too low or what. Oh yep, it definitely looks better. Oh my god. So you can definitely use this to heat press any design. Let me take this off. This was like just a tester mug, y'all. Probably like, girl, that was too cute to be a tester mug. I know. I know. We're about to do another one real quick with just one without a background on it on the other mug. So let's see. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to use that purple mug and then I'm just gonna put my logo on it. This is a huge design, but we're gonna see how it is. I just want to see how it will look without it having a background like that. Yeah, so that should be enough tape. Like I said, the vacuum on this is pretty good. So bring this back over and then put this over here. Alright y'all, so that was the second time, so let me pull this out and see if it's sublimated or not. Y'all, don't let me not hype myself up. Oh my god, I could have let it go some more, but y'all look at that. Look how bright. I'm about to cry because something about saying your name on a Tumblr. So cute. So comment down below, you guys, and let me know if I should add these to my store or not. I think I definitely would, because that was awesome. And this is advertised as a mug machine, y'all. Like, but I sublimated this tumbler in it and it looks so cute. So those two were my tester tumblers. Let me show you guys again. This is the girl boss one, and then this one has my business logo on it, and it's so cute. OMG. But definitely, I definitely would recommend this VEVOR heat machine. It is not only for mugs but also tumblers as well. As you can see, I did want to sublimate this one, but as you guys know, it was too fat, so maybe if I had a skinnier one it will work. But yes, I'm so in love with it, so definitely 10 out of 10 recommend, okay, period. And I'll definitely have the link for this in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out, period. Right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching a girl video. How fun was that? Like, literally, I have never sublimated anything besides a phone case, AirPod case, any type of case before, but sublimating that Tumblr was definitely something new. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said before, the link for the exact mug press is definitely in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And shout out to VEVOR because they have the best heat press machines. Like, don't even look around, like they got you covered. Anyway, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.